Alright, so today we're going to be working on our kettlebell bent row hold. Now if you have two kettlebells, you can go one on each arm, but for demonstrations today, I'm going to show you what it looks like with one kettlebell. So for our bent row stance, we're going to make sure we have feet about shoulders width apart, toes slightly rotated outwards, and we'll push our hips back into a hinge. So knees are going to slightly bend, push the hips back as far as you can go here. This is the same movement or position that we go into when we're doing a deadlift. So from the side, this is what it looks like. Push back, keeping the lower back nice and straight here. Tighten up, engage in the core, and hands are going to be dangling straight downwards. So make sure we try to push the hips back as far as we can here. One of the most common mistakes here is actually people not pushing the hips back far enough, and you'll see the body kind of angle upwards. So when we do the actual row, we're not quite hitting the type of angle that we're shooting for, which is close to perpendicular to the body. Another thing, while we're pushing back into this hip hinge, you might feel a little tightness in the hamstrings. That's okay. Push back as far as you can go without feeling pain in the hamstrings of that. So we're gonna grab a kettlebell, push the hips back, drop the arm forward, and we're gonna pull back and hold. Now, when we pull back, we're gonna really engage the back muscles here, but also open up our shoulder, drive this elbow back towards our stomach, and hold. For this hold, we're gonna hold for as long as we possibly can. Firm grip on the kettlebell all the way through, and relax. So that is our kettlebell bent row with a hold.